Okay, I'm not sure if I'm online yet. It looks like I'm online. So, this is currently a test of YouTube live streaming. I usually do this on Twitch, but everybody that I've polled seems to think YouTube is a better place. So I'm thinking maybe I'll get more viewers here. So that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to just be setting some things up. There are certain things in the stream that can't be done until I'm actually streaming. So let me see what... This is the first time I've done a live stream in this fashion on YouTube, so a lot of this is just sort of testing. Let me see. So let me test chat. Chat testing. That should pop up over there. There, chat testing. Okay, so that worked. If anyone else is in chat, please feel free to say something. And I'm still sort of working out the details here of what we're going to be doing. Oh, hey, hey, I've got 2 people in chat already. Great. Mark Brown's there. Nathan Burnham, thanks for joining. This is a test of the YouTube HTM School live stream. And we will have a research meeting today on YouTube right here. I'm still figuring out the YouTube thing. And the king is in. It wouldn't be a live stream without the king. Okay, I'm just trying to get things going in Discord. Okay. I am not sure if this works. I'm hoping you can do like something like commands in chat, but I'm not sure if that's working. No. Can you Discord? No, that's not working either. So everything's different. Everything is different. So I'm still working out like the kinks. I'm not sure the chat pod is going to work at all. Hello, Martin. Hello, Nathan. Hello, Mark. Thanks for watching. Looks like there's 7 people watching. So I'm already more successful on YouTube streaming than I am on Twitch. Usually it takes 20 minutes to get 7 people watching on Twitch. So thanks for tuning in. This is really just a test. If this works out, and it seems to be working out because I've already got more live viewers than I usually do on Twitch, I'm going to keep pushing content here. I'm going to test out some cameras. This is my left camera. This is my front camera. This is my room camera. Hello. Welcome to my messy office. This is my window camera. I'm looking out my window here. This better be good, Mark Brown says. And then I can also show you my screen, which is messy because I'm still setting everything up. And I'll cover that up. There's Jeff writing a book. Okay, so I've got a screen that's supposed to say be right back, taking a quick break. All right, that works. And this should loop back and forth between 2 cameras. Some chat lag, about 30 seconds. I think that's been pretty typical. It comes and goes. The chat lag comes and goes. All right, so I can already see that. Let me change my title here. Oh, not that title. The bottom text. This is not true. This is going to be, well, basically testing YouTube live streaming. You are watching me pretty much live debugging YouTube live streams. So there's a few things I want to make sure work. So it looks like the subscribers thing works up there. If anyone subscribes during the stream, so if you're here, I wonder if I can get like thumbs up on the video. Oh, that's another thing. I should be able to copy and paste and get like a unique URL for this video. 30 seconds is pretty much way behind. Sometimes, okay. It may be. It may be that I can change that. Oh, here's the link. So I guess there's a live link that I can. You guys already know this, but like, all right, I'm gonna post on Twitter that I'm testing out. For research meeting today. Okay, so if I go to this link, I should see myself, yeah, chatting or typing away. Okay, that seems to be working. Now if I schedule an event ahead of time, which is what I think I'm going to do now. I think that should give me. Oh, I can't do it. I have to like go offline, schedule an event ahead of time. So I'm going to most likely. Oh, that's odd. Let's see here. My live dashboard looks like the description of the stream. Oh, it changed. Okay. But I can't schedule the next stream. So I want to try. One of the things that people liked about YouTube streaming, live streaming, was that you can set up events ahead of time and have unique links to those events, and those URLs will always work. And that doesn't work with Twitch necessarily. So I will probably close the stream off, create an event for the next stream. You can play PF. What's PF, Mark? PF Shine. I'm streaming PF Shine on to check this out. Oh, Pink Floyd. Oh, okay. Gotcha. Pink Floyd, Shine On You Crazy Diamond. And you can play it while listening to me, and no copyright violations. Nice. So things to investigate. Let's see. Things about the stream that I need to check. I'm gonna write it down on a whiteboard. Okay. There we go. Okay, chat lag. And I think there may be some settings that I can do, like turning off moderation or something like that. I'll bet if I turn off moderation, I don't know how safe that is on YouTube, though. YouTube can be a little bit unfriendly at times. Okay, chat lag, chat commands don't seem to be working. I'm using something called CloudBot from Streamlabs, and it should be doing something, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Like I've got it set up here, viewer, CloudBot. It's on, and it's a moderator, and I should be able. There are some default commands like quote, banning quote, sounds. Oh yeah, sounds doesn't work. None of that's working. I'm gonna try a different command. What is the command I want? Quote, I think. Oh, did you guys see the Lex Friedman interview that came out this morning? I'm super excited about that. So this should give a random quote or something, but it doesn't. At least that's what it says it should do. So there's something not quite right with chat that I'm gonna have to fix. I don't know why it's not working. I've turned it on and off. I've got it in my settings. I have it set as a moderator. Streamlabs and you, Mark, are moderators. Excuse me. I think that means that, like, if somebody is being abusive in chat or something, Mark, I think you have the ability to kick them out. So feel free to do that. I'm not so sure how, like I said, friendly people are going to be on YouTube. Hopefully very friendly. Okay, so my viewer count says 0, but it's not 0. So I don't know what's up with that. So let me check that out. You guys, I think I'll let you see what I'm doing over here. That's probably more interesting than staring at my face. So I can see the viewers are 4 right now. But my viewer count widget, which is here, is only showing 0. Now that says 3, but the one down there says 0. So why is that? Let me check this out. Okay, so let me whoops. Now it's 4. Hello, 4th viewer who just popped in. I'm configuring I'm trying to configure the stream because so let's go here. Let me look at my kit. You will control the kick power. I know. You'll be fine. Don't worry about it. Okay, this is the front. So the viewers, it's the right URL. I just don't know why it's, oh, come on. Why did it change? I have a screen somewhere where the viewers, the count doesn't exist apparently. That's what it does. Oh, that's annoying. That's so annoying. There we go. Now it's there. Okay. So the viewer count is working for live viewers right now. Let's see. Oh, be sure and check this video out if you're watching here. How do I get, so I need to be able to pop the chat out. So let's pop this out. Okay, so I can pop my chat out. That's good. So check this video out. This is Lex Friedman's interview with Jeff. I'm going to change to this so that I can show something I don't want to show. I'm going to log off of that so we don't hear Jeff talking. There we go. All right, so the YouTube link worked fine. Of course, we're on YouTube. You're thinking of a Friston Smackdown, subtle difference between prediction and active recall. That's a good point. I've never thought about predictive coding in the context of active recall. Okay, that's a good idea. Yeah, bring it up on Hackers Hangout. Okay, I'm still not sure what link I should be sharing. I thought that every live stream gets its own unique link. I'm not sure. What? Oh. Now I'm sharing. Okay. Just gotta be, I know there's a way. So if I go to my YouTube channel, to my channel, your channel, and I think there should be a link to, it says live now, testing, and yes, and it has a URL. See, if we go, you can see it right here. So testing out the YouTube live stream, that's what people are seeing. So if I copy this link, it should always go to this live stream if I'm streaming. So testing out the YouTube live stream, that's what people are seeing. So yeah, and it'll be valid, it'll be a valid link forever. Great, that's something that I've wanted. Okay, so I will go to the forum and post this. Well, usually I'm streaming on Twitch, but I'm not. Today, today I am not streaming on Twitch, but YouTube. How does this fit for you? Wow. A test. I'll be streaming the research meeting as well in about 30 minutes. Okay. All right, I'm figuring this out. All right, so I can do a live stream and I can find out how to get the link. How did I get that link? I went to the main page And right. So there's not, so that's what popped up on live now. If I go to videos, that's the latest video. So the live stream is the latest video. And it looks just like one of the Twitch videos. So I'm gonna have to do some housekeeping on the YouTube channel, I think. To accommodate this a bit. But I'm gonna do this for at least a week, this week for sure, and test it out. And oh, there's another thing that's interesting. I'll show you guys this. So I'm using something called Streamlabs Labels. And so what it does is it makes a ton of text files, and I want to see which ones it's populating now that I'm streaming. So the streaming software that I'm using, and I think a lot of the other ones, they read files off the file system to display things or to do things. So like the way I usually would show the title up there and the viewer count down there and the how long you've been streaming, like streaming duration, I'm reading them off of files, and then I have a script that I wrote that goes through to the Twitch API and gets these files, or gets this information and writes them to files. And it seems like I don't have to do that. So I'm looking through these files that Streamlabs is throwing onto the file system, because what I'd really like to get is duration of the stream, which I don't see anywhere, and then like watcher count, which I've got there, so that's fine. Total YouTube subscriber count would be interesting to throw up there maybe. But everything else is not. It's like all about donations and super chat donations. It's all about money and monetization. And this channel is not monetized, so I don't care about any of that stuff. You guys get no ads. If you're watching ads on this, there's something wrong. Keywords and titles are important. Yes, it's definitely. So that's part of the cleanup that I need to do, is figure out the best way to manage keywords and titles and stuff, because that's important. Definitely right there. So this Streamlabs thing doesn't really help very much, it seems. Not sure if it's going to help at all. Like the subscriber count is interesting, but other than that, I don't see anything. It's all about money and donations and most recent subscriber, but I have that already right up there, are the 4, I think, most recent subscribers to the channel. So that's that. What else? So chat log, chat commands aren't working. Chat lag, excuse me. Does it still seem like it's about 30-second lag or so? Let's see. What else do I have that that usually doesn't work? Okay. Okay, yeah, this is the Streamlabs. But so you can do stuff like this, but I typed this when you asked. That was less than 30 seconds, maybe 20, but maybe it'll just get better. But you had to type it in too, so 20, 30 seconds. That's not much of a guide. I want to know what the text files are. Streamlabs. Here's the app. Recent events, settings. Donation train. Always show. I never do that. Show clock. Show count. I'm not doing I don't even know what a donation train is. Oh, here we go. Whoa. Okay. Donator. Okay, Mark, you ready to say go? Wait, I'm gonna set a timer. I'm gonna use real. Okay, timer, stopwatch. Ready, set, go. And we'll wait for the lag time. I'm waiting for the lag. Let's see. Hopefully you were still ready for that. Test 2, 13 seconds. Is that when I said go? Because that was 13 seconds. I hope. We can do that again if you want. 13 seconds is not too bad at all, I think. 30 seconds is, okay, great. Maybe we'll try that again a little bit later. But 13 seconds that's acceptable. Okay, so total subscriber count. I can get. That's interesting. Okay, so I can configure all this stuff. That's great. I didn't realize that. Session subscriber count, session. So that must mean like the current live stream, like how many. Okay, this is very configurable then. Super chat. I don't know what super chat is. What I'd really like to see is like viewers, because I don't like the YouTube logo down there necessarily. I'd rather just have like what I had before is like X number of viewers. I don't care about donations. What is this, the donation train? I don't know. Most recent subscriber, session subscribers. Yeah, there's a ton of things to change here. Session subscriber count. So this is like how many subscribers have subscribed, I think, during the stream. Total sponsor, most recent sponsor. I don't have sponsors. I don't have super chat enabled. All the rest is super chat. So there's not a ton of, there's nothing here that I'm going to use, which is unfortunate. This could be, I guess it's tuned towards making money, and I'm not trying to make money on YouTube. I'm not trying to count how much money I'm being given. All I really care about is how many people are watching, how long have I been streaming. So I might end up having to write a script for the YouTube API, just like I did for the Twitch API. That gives me exactly what I want, which I can do, but not right now. Definitely not right now. Okay, so I am going to kill the stream. I'm going to set up an event for a future live stream at around 10:10, and Marcus is going to talk more about capsules, part 2 of capsules compared to HTM, and that's what he's going to talk about around 10:10, 10:15 or so. Rocket Boy will be in it for it's Space Boy. Space Boy's in it for the money. Eventually, someday. Yeah, that maybe that'll be my second career. But you can't make money in music, so you have to figure out a way to make money in music. And I think live streaming could be a way to do it. You can't make money in like typical music production or creation anymore. That industry has just imploded. So I don't know what Marcus is going to talk about. So we'll see. Okay. I'm going to shut it down right now. We're going to shut it down. Let's see. How do I shut it? Oh, I know. I just press this button that says stop streaming. Thanks for checking in with me on this first off-the-cuff YouTube live stream. I'm going to try and set up for the research meeting live stream, which will be 10:15-ish. And I'll start it a little bit early so you guys can sit around and accumulate a few viewers before we start. Good luck at lunch on your chess game, Mark. You can always catch the replay afterwards. Hello, Hari Krishnan. I am testing out YouTube live stream. This is my first like off the cuff live stream. I'm trying to do what I do on Twitch on YouTube because I have a feeling I'll have more viewers on YouTube than on Twitch. So we'll see. So this is just a test so I could test out some of the features. A lot of these features I just can't test until I'm live streaming. So I don't want to do it during the research meeting. The research meeting is coming up in about half an hour. So I'm going offline and I'll be back online in maybe 20 minutes or so. Hopefully with a few things worked out, but not the chat commands. Chat commands don't work yet. Yeah, that's one of the things. Twitch is blocked by corporate firewall. Hi, Paul. Nice to see you online. Super happy to have you here. Paul Lamb is has been around and been building HTM systems for quite a while now. So great. I'm hoping that's one of the things, since Twitch isn't blocked, or excuse me, YouTube is not necessarily blocked in a lot of workspaces, workplaces. More people should be able to watch the streams at work and interact at work if they like. No, I don't think Paul is an admin here, but that can be fixed. I gotta figure out how to do it though. I know how to do this. Community. No. YouTube keeps changing things. They keep moving my cheese. So I don't know where to go to get things. Live stream now, live events. Yeah, they're totally moved my cheese. They're like, YouTube is sort of in a transition period, you can tell. Like they've changed a lot of stuff on the back end. They're trying to focus more on live streaming, but they're not done yet. Like all the live stream stuff still has this very old feel to it. They're trying to catch up with Twitch for sure. That's obvious. So how do I enable? Oh, I know how I can do it. If I go to the YouTube community settings, comment management, here it is. So Paul Lamb. Oh, I need to find your I need to get a link to you somehow. How do I do that? Oh, I can just add. Oh, I did it from chat. All right, I did it for chat. I didn't have to do any of that. There you go, Paul. You are now a moderator with Mark Brown. So if anybody behaves poorly, you can give them the kick. Okay, I am stopping the stream. I will be back soon enough after I create this event. Take care. Thanks for helping me debug some stuff. I think chat will still work after this, I'm pretty sure, if you want to stay in chat.